We're at my newest listing at 449 Clairemont, Unit M1 in City of Decatur. Incredible location, walking distance from shops and restaurants in downtown Decatur. Lovely renovated ground level condo with easy access. Open floor plan features sun-filled living room, dining area, and spacious kitchen with breakfast bar, granite counters, and stainless appliances. Huge covered back deck with storage, 2 bedrooms, and updated bathroom. Freshly painted, refinished hardwoods, and new HVAC make this the perfect opportunity. My favorite part about this condo is this incredible deck. This is super unusual to find in a unit of this size, and it's perfect for where we are today so that you can come out here and enjoy your morning coffee and have a little escape.